Today, we're with one of Bradford's Green Street pioneers, the Record Cafe, and we're looking at how using the tagging function can elevate your social media. The Record Cafe, as you can see, sells records, food and drinks, and anything they don't sell during the day goes straight online to avoid any wastage, as you can see here. And it lets people who might not have actually made it down during the day go online and make the purchase. And what they decided to do was they decided to run a record fair for Age UK, which is obviously a huge charity. And for me, looking at their engagement definitely increased based on this one versus some of their previous posts. Now, I think one of the reasons why is because they're doing something for charity. They've done a great image actually showing, what the record fair consists of. They've given all the detail and they've obviously tagged in, which I think is the most important part, they've tagged in Age UK. It gives Age UK, who have a huge online presence, an opportunity to return the favour and share the post with their followers, and also shows that the event has real, genuine links to the charity. And then they've done a follow-up one. So these are some purchases from the Age UK, and then they've tagged them in twice as well, which is just brilliant. So I think any business doing anything charitable should ensure that they make sure they're always tagging in the business that they're collaborating with, or indeed the charity, and making sure that you follow up with how much money you've raised as well off the back of it. Now, on that, so say Age UK wanted to see how, anybody that had tagged them, or indeed if they tag the Record Cafe back, I would want to keep on top of that. So what I would do is I would go into the Maybe platform, and on your dashboard, you can see comments. You can see these are the people that have commented on my post. If I'm the Record Cafe, I can keep a track of everyone that's commented. But here, which is really important, I can see mentions. So I can see people that have been talking about me on their post. So that would be Age UK, maybe sharing a post saying, well done to the Record Cafe for raising X amount. And so I can go in there and I can actually engage with those posts and talk to them. And then the other thing I can do is I can engage with people who've previously talked about me. So say Age UK talked about me here 2 weeks ago, and then in here Age UK puts more posts up. I would obviously want to keep that relationship going, so I could go in there and see some of their posts and get engaged in their conversation. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, please click on the little blue button on your dashboard. We'd love to help.